This is a quick emergency repair to join two coax cables together within a minute. Now you can take off the outer insulation and then the foil, and then you need to twist the braid together, which is the outer part of the cable, and then this is the second one, taking off the outer insulation and doing exactly the same as the first one. Now when you've done that, you can then twist the inner core together. Make sure you've got the outer braid out of the way. Twist the copper core together and then twist the braid together. When you've done that, you can put tape round to hold it together and protect it from the weather. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY, please click onto my channel.